Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix the Logitech GHUB Charging visual bug and what it needs to be done, right? That when, let's say, you're gonna have the battery level and it's stuck at like 5% and nothing is happening. So first thing first, what we are going to do together is, do you want to go to search and right there, run. Okay, when you have it, and when you have the run, you just want to have app data there. Okay, it's going to open a folder, and here go to app data, then go to local, and you want to find a Logitech GHUB there. Here you're gonna find the settings. And now just copy and paste the settings into your right here. And when you're on your desktop, and when you have it, what you want to do is just delete the settings, right? So wait a second, I'll just like turn off the GHUB. Okay, and now it's deleted. So now what will happen is that when I'm going to Logitech GHUB and I'm going to open it, automatically you're gonna have it like restarted. And now it should work, and what you can do is just like insert the settings there. So replace the file destination. So I would just like turn it off, the application. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off and then insert the settings, replace the file. So let me down below in comments if this thing worked for you. And that's pretty much in how we can fix it, and have a great day and goodbye.